clear tu te chibai le ve kule tun chum kan video a chuan Mizoram Sarkar Hnuaiah Hnaruak hrang dil thei te kan en ho le don ani nimin lama khan zirna le ezon na kong in ko hmu na career guidance program hortoki middle school le high school ate kan neya zirtir tu zirlai tele program bot sai tu hortoki veng chakwai me education subcommittee te an fakom hle mai an kalzel atura du sakna kahlan ngal bokani khotlang emo NGO emo school ang poin career guidance mamo te tan som thei kania zirlai te thalai te tan ka thei chin china pen chua zel katum don ani ole Hnaruak lama kir le ila pakhatna chuanin transport department Hnaruak enila group DPE post pathum arwaka posting na mun hi kan mun mami district ania panhina MB check gate phunchong aizola joint director office chaltlang aizola te ani don ani hlo hi pay level 1 sin khat sang kha zakwa somkua ani dona kumsom priya tanga somthum panga inkar STSC kaini tan kumsomli thlengai thiamna awm don ani class 8 pass tin class 7 na miso subject la tan adil thenga proficiency test nei angai don lovani dilna form hi ka website www.kamliana.in khan video description khan download link oma kan lo check anga kan lo download don nia form submit mun hi establishment section Directorate of Transport to equal South Aizola anianga last date hi July ni somni le pakua aniang nalakdan tura hian kan share chewangin interview mga lak tura ni dona interview hun le mun tu chu WhatsApp group siam ania WhatsApp group hi officially an siama chuta chuan kan submit pa khanin an scan anga WhatsApp group kha kan join anga information tu thar interview hun te po kha kan thei zel don ani panina chuan Mizoram State Commission for Women and Child Development Hnaruak en leila group D post pakhat arwaka hlo hi pay level 1 singkha sangkha zakwale somkua anianga ange huna chuan a full salary khan la thei don ani class 8 pass chin Mizoram Middle School standard chin thiam ta na dil thenga dil tu te kumsom pariat atanga somthum le panga inkar ni angaya tin STSC tan kumsomli thlengai thiamna om don ani dilna form hi kan soithin ang khan video description kha in lo enanga download thein PDF download thein omani form submit hun tur chu Directorate of Women and Child Development tuikho atlang aizola ani don ani last date chu thale August somle pali ani yang interview mga nahilak turania interview hun le hun tu chu WhatsApp group lama khan WhatsApp group officially nan siam dona department khan kan submit pa khanin form kan submit pa khanin kan scan anga information tu thar interview hun tu te kan sha thei don ani tin employment card registration kha ti nge employment card khane nge angai don ani pathumna chuan health and family welfare department Hnuaiah Hnaruak enila LDC post som arwaka PE provisional employee ani don ani tin post som ma hian post pakhat hi disability pian phungarwal ban lo te tan reserve ania hlo hi pay level 4 singkha sangruk le zakwa somni ani dona class 12 pass DCA mo CCA computer certificate nei angai don ani typing speed 30 watts per minute hiam angaya tin Mizo language proficiency test hi omdona amai ro chu class 10 na Mizo subject la te tan angai don lovani kumsom priya ta tang somthum panga inkar tan dil thenia STSC tribal te tan kumsomli thlengai thiamna om thei thungang dilna form hi video description a hian a link download thein kada kan lo download anga form submit a mun tur chu Office of Principal Director Health and Family Welfare Department Mineko khatla aizola anianga August somni last date aniang application fee cheng zale somnga STSC tan anianga general tan chuan cheng zani ani don ani selection process a hian skill test written le interview mga lak turania kan soichin ang khanin LDC written exam in board saina tu syllabus te study materials question hlui solve important question te kan du ni chuanin ka website www.kamliana.in a khan kan lo download thin don nia video description a khan a link ka website link kha kada ani pangana chuan Mizoram Home Guard Department Hnaruak en leila LDC PE arwaka post pathum arwakani lohi pay level 4 singkha sangru zakwale somni ania class 12 pass DCA mo CCM mo computer certificate nei angaya typing speed 30 watts per minute thiam angai bokani Mizo language proficiency test omdona class 10 na Mizo subject la tan ero chuan language proficiency test hiangai don lovani kumsom pariat atanga somthum panga inkar tan dil theni a keini STSC tribal tan kumsom li thlengai na thiam na a om theyang dilna form hi tuna video description a hian download thein a link kada a PDF in kan lo download don nia form submit na mun hi headquarters Mizoram Home Guard and Civil Defense chol mun aizola ani dona last date hi August na somni le pali aniang application fee hi cheng zale somnga anianga general tan chuan cheng zani ani dona ni selection process a hian skill test omanga written test le interview om don bokani parukna chuan Deputy Commissioner Office Khozol Hnaruak en Leila Group D post pathum aruaka PE anget lo ani don ani chokidar pakhat sweeper post pahni ani don ani Group D kan hantia khanin chokidar le sweeper kha an then sang le ani hlo hi pe level 1 singkha sangkha zakwa le somkwa anianga class 8 pass Mizo Trong Middle School standard chin thiam kumsom pariat atang somthum panga inkar tan adil theidon ani STSC tan kumsom li thleng haina thiam na awmang dilna form hi video description a khan kan lo enanga kan lo download anga form submit a mun tur hi Deputy Commissioner Office Khozola ani don ani last date chu thale August somni le pariat aniang dilna form hi STSC tan chengzan somnga anianga kan soi thinang khan group D kan ti hi chu interview mangala kan idona written exam om don lovani information poimo angchi chu nakina Khozol DC office a khan anon talang le dona kan lo ngai ven don nia pasarina chuan Guwahati High Court Guwahati Assam ami en leila stenographer grade 2 post somthum le panga anget vekin ani dona hlo hi cheng sing ni sang ni atanga sing kwale sang sari inkar anianga grade pe sang kwale sari ani dona ni deal theite Guwahati High Court kan hanti hianin Assam Nagaland Mizoram le Arunachal Pradesh te intro ania tuna Hnaruak bi kichu Assam district a posting tour ania zofa te zinga Assama cheng le khosa trong thiam engmozat kanom towa chu wangin chung ho tan chuan Hnaruak kha kan hanta lang ve shim ani Assamese a local language thiam angai awang le employment card employment registration kha Assam state Guwahati angai awangin Mizoram atang chuan beisei awm wak don lovani deal theite kanomani chuanin advertisement hi description lama khan kan lo enanga kan lo download don nia last day chu July ni som thum thleng ani don ani Mizoram Presbyterian Kotran Hnaruak en leila Sinot Hospital Durtlang a thoktur medical record technician contract in post pakhat aruaka pharmacist contract post pakhat Aizol Theological College a thoktur assistant librarian contract in post pakhat aruaka Mizoram Christian College a thoktur assistant professor Mizo post pahni contract assistant professor commerce post pakhat contract in assistant professor pol science contract post pakhat ani don ani hrangte kha Mizoram Sinot Hnuaya aruaka kan lo ngai vendon nia video description a hian form te advertisement kha kada ani pakwana chuan printing and stationery department Hnaruak en leila pion PE post pahni aruaka hlo hi pe level 1 singkha sangkha zakwa le somkwa ani don ani kan soi thinang khan class 8 pass chin tana dil thenga Mizo Trong Middle School standard chin thiam angai bokani kumsom pariat atanga somthum le panga inkar tan dil the nia keini tribal STSC tan kumsom li thlengai na thiam na aom theyang dilna form hi video description a khan kan lo enanga video description a khan PDF in download thein kada ani form submit na mun tur chu printing and stationery department secretariat annex 2 opposite of assembly house treasury square aizola ani dona last date hi August somle paruk thleng ani dona ni dilna form hi STSC tan chengzale somnga anianga interview hun le mun tur le thilpoi mo de chu department lamin anonta lang le dona ni somna chuan PHE department Hnaruak en leila assistant mechanic post pakhat plumber post pakhat hlo hi pe level 4 singkha sangrung zakwale somni anianga last day chu August somle pasari thleng ani dona ni deal theite assistant mechanic course certificate nei emo class 8 pass kumnga chuang workshop pa experience lo nei to lo thok to ni angaya computer certificate triple C tal khanei angaya tin class 10 na miso subject lak angai ani lo chuanin proficiency test kha paltlang angai don ani plumber dil tur chuanin ITI ya plumber course kha pass ngaya ani lo po in plumber kumsom chuang lo thok to experience lo nei to ni ngaya computer certificate triple C tal nei ngaya class 10 na miso subject la ni ngaya ani lo chuanin miso language proficiency test kha asan pa in an conduct le don ani kumsom pariat atang somthum panga in kartan dil the ni a STSC tan kumsom li thleng ngai na thiam na awmang written exam interview awmanga online form fill up turani wang hianin online form fill up na link chu video description a khan kan lo endon nia deal theitele qualification ngai ta chu advertisement lama khan chiang zokin video description a khan kada a kan lo en chiang don nia somle pakhat na Mizoram Engineering College pukpui lunglei Hnaruak en leila driver post pathum arwaka PE professional employee ala het lawang chi kha ani don ani hlohi pay level 2 singkha sangthum le sanga somni anianga a nge huna chuan pay level 2 a fullin singkha sang kwale zakwa atanga singruk sangthum jani inkar kha anla thei don ani class 8 pass chin driving license nei angaya tin MVI skill test paltlang MVI a khan driving test kha nei nge angai don ani miso trong middle school standard chin thiam angaya kumsom pariat atang somthum panga inkar ni angaya tin kan soita kang khanin kaini tribal tan chuan kumsom li thlengai na thiam na aum thei don ani deal du te chuan deal na form hi video description a khan download thein PDF in kada a kan lo download anga tin submit mun tu chu establishment ground floor directorate of higher and technical education department office a chau khan thelu thei ani a last day chu July ni somthum le pakhat ani don ani receipt ti bolo tur ani bokani application fee awm lova a free ani dona tin he na hi written test personal interview malak tur ani dona ni deal du chuan deal na form hi an soi thin ang khanin video description a khan kan lo en to panga download thein a link kha kada ani kan lo download don nia ato pera chuan SCERT school education department ruak en leila assistant engineer post pakhat sound recordist post pakhat graphic artist designer pakhat cameraman grade 2 video editor post pahni multitasker post pakhat arwak ani hlo han en leila assistant engineer singli sound recordist singli graphic artist emo designer khan singli cameraman grade 2 video editor khan singthum multitasking staff kan ti kha sing ni an hlo don ani deal theite assistant engineer deal tu chuan BEMO BTech in electronics ni angaya miso language middle school standard chin thiam angaya tin experience kumthum nei angai bokani sound recordist graduate to photan khana deal theya mero chu diploma in audio emo sound engineering emo recording lama khan thiam nei angai don ani miso language middle school standard chin nei angaya experience kumthum nei angai don bokani graphic artist designer graduate to photan eng graduate line atang po khan kan graduate to ni chuan dil thei dona diploma in graphic design emo multimedia visual communication a khan thiam na diploma nei angai don ani miso language middle school standard chin nei angaya tin experience kumthum nei angai don bokani cameraman grade 2 video editor dil du tan chuan class 12 pass ni angaya tin photography emo videography a khan diploma course khazo angai don ani pass angai don ani miso language middle school standard chin thiam angaya tin experience in photography videography editing le video editing lama khan nei angai don ani multitasking staff deal tur chuanin class 12 pass ngaya tin computer certificate DCA nei ngaya miso language middle school standard chin thiam angai bokani last day chu July ni somni le pakwa thleng ani don ani deal du te tan deal na form hi video description a download thein a link kada a kan lo download tanga submit na mun tu chu establishment section SCERT izola ani don ani duration of job na kan tho chung reizong hi March somthum le pakhat thleng ani don ani selection process hi walk in interview mangalak turani a interview na mun chu conference room SCERT izola ani don ani interview hun chu July ni somthum le pakhat ani don ani ole khang som kha tun chuma Mizoram Hnaruak kan soi theite kan thlir ho theite chu ani a clear tu te mutui mang tha vek ule